It's fresh. It's a fun with Markie. Always fun with Daddy. Movie with Markie and Daddy.
Hi, Markie.
Hi. Hi to everyone.
What do you want to do?
I'm gonna make a smoothie. Will you cut the guava?
Guava?
Yes.
That is the green guava. Oh.
Using the seeds?
Mm-hmm.
These
Oh,
are better than the yellow seeds.
let me see the seeds. Oh yeah, I see the yellow seeds.
Cut the pineapple and we go onto the
Wow.
big knife.
Using big knife to cut the pineapple. All right.
Oh, they come in the inside. Look,
Oh, what is that?
you come in the inside. The pineapple is the inside. It's up in the circle.
Yeah, inside
kinda
the
looks
pineapple.
It looks like a wheel.
Like a wheel, yeah.
I put tires on it. Looks like a tire. But down the sound of the car.
Okay, let's sing. The wheels on the bus go.
Round and round, round and round. Oh,
What else? What's that?
you're gonna drop my shrimp. This one is shrimp.
Shrimp? Oh yeah.
Cut the shrimp.
Careful.
One eternity later.
Is it hard to cut the shrimp?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you dropped your cutting board.
Cut the cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
The cauliflower.
Yeah. And then?
Cut the banana.
Oh, what's that?
Drop my chili pepper.
Oh, chili pepper. Oh, look at that. Chili pepper.
Drop my chili pepper.
Yeah. It's so spicy.
So spicy and so hot.
So hot.
Oh. You cut the chili pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Cut the chili pepper.
All right.
Oh, a bit hard than the can cut it. Of my this amazing. So hard.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so hard.
Oh, you cut the banana.
Okay.
Banana, the banana, the banana, the banana.
Mm-hmm.
A monkey.
Like a monkey. Monkey loves banana.
What is this?
Oh, you have to peel it. Peel the banana. Do you like banana? Mm.
Cut the crab.
Cut the crab.
Oh no.
All right. Oh.
Cabbage.
Cabbage?
Don't cut out the cabbage.
Yeah, I think you have to peel it first.
The peas on the leaves.
Yeah.
The leaf is on the cabbage.
Okay. Oh.
Something else is here.
All right.
It's so fresh.
Fresh cabbage. Wow.
You can eat the cabbage.
Is it good?
Yes, it's fresh.
It's fresh.
What do you call it? Starfish?
Huh?
Huh? The starfish? No, it's a star fruit. It's not a starfish. Is it a starfish?
No.
What is that?
Here, cut star fruit.
Okay. Oh. That's
Cut the
right.
egg.
Oh, cut the egg.
Cut
Oh,
the egg and on the small knife.
you're using small knife. Okay.
The cut and the color. egg.
Okay. Oh, what's inside the egg?
The yellow part is the yolk.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And you still have one more fruit and 2 vegetables.
Okay. The white and the monkey.
Hmm.
Oh, the carrot doesn't look. Looks like a bunny.
Oh, looks like a bunny.
Mr. Bunny.
Mr. Bunny. And
Carrots
the
in
last one.
middle
What is this?
Oh, the potato.
Yeah, cut the potato. Come on, let's cut the potato.
Cut the potato. Oh, look, this one is a
What's that?
paprika. Cut the yellow paprika.
Yellow paprika.
Oh,
Woohoo!
the pork is the seeds.
Seed. Let me see the seeds. Wow, yeah. How many seeds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Okay, 7 seeds. Alright, look at this. Oh, there's a lot of vegetables and fruit. Wow.